In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design on Canva. Whether you are starting from a template or a blank page, this walkthrough will help you move from idea to finished graphic with confidence. Begin by opening Canva. On the home screen, click Create a Design or use the search bar to find a ready-made size like Instagram post or flyer. Choosing a template from search automatically gives you the correct dimensions, which saves time and ensures your design looks great on the platform you are targeting. Next, set the canvas. Pick a template you like, or choose a blank canvas if you want full control. You can also set a custom size. Canva lets you enter measurements in pixels, inches, or millimeters. As a quick guide, pixels are ideal for anything digital, while inches or millimeters are better for printing because they relate directly to physical size. Now, add and edit elements. For text, click any text in a template to rewrite it, or add new text from the left-hand menu. Keep headings short and clear, and use smaller text for details. For images and graphics, either upload your own files or open the Elements tab to search for photos, shapes, lines, and icons. Drag what you need onto the canvas and position it where it supports your message. For backgrounds, you can change the background color or drop in a photo from the toolbar. If you use a photo background, make sure T here is enough contrast so your text stays readable. Customize the design using the top toolbar. Here you can swap fonts, change colors, resize elements by dragging the corners, and adjust transparency for subtle overlays. Stick to one or two fonts and a simple color palette to keep things cohesive, and resize elements until the hierarchy feels clear at a glance. When elements start to overlap, arrange the layers so everything sits in the right order. Move items forward or backward until text and graphics appear exactly where you want them. If something seems to disappear behind a photo, simply bring it to the front so it's visible. When you are happy with the layout, it's time to save and download. Click Share, then Download. Choose the format that fits your goal: PNG for crisp digital graphics, JPG for a smaller file size, or PDF for printing and sharing as a document. Confirm your settings and download the file to your device. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.